The power of YouTube Shorts, your free ticket to viral fame. Want to go viral? Imagine reaching millions of viewers with just a few seconds of content. That's the magic of YouTube Shorts. It's a platform designed to make you a star, no matter who you are or where you come from. YouTube Shorts are your ticket. They're short, catchy videos that can make you a star. These bite-sized videos are perfect for capturing attention quickly and keeping viewers engaged. Whether you're a dancer, a comedian, a chef, or just someone with a unique talent, YouTube Shorts can help you showcase your skills to a global audience. The best part? You don't need fancy equipment or expensive software. All you need is your smartphone and a bit of creativity. With just a few taps, you can start recording and sharing your content with the world. It's that simple. With amazing AI tools available for free, anyone can create awesome shorts. These tools can help you edit your videos, add special effects, and even suggest trending topics to help your content stand out. The possibilities are endless. And the best part is, you don't need to spend a dime. That's right, you don't need a big budget to go viral. You can create high-quality content with minimal equipment and still reach millions of viewers. It's all about being creative and making the most of the tools available to you. Let's dive in and learn how to make your first viral short. We'll guide you through the entire process, from brainstorming ideas to filming and editing your video. By the end of this guide, you'll have all the knowledge you need to create content that resonates with viewers and gets shared across the platform. This guide is your roadmap. Think of it as your personal mentor, leading you through each step of the journey. We'll cover everything you need to know to create compelling content that captures attention and keeps viewers coming back for more. We'll break down each step, from planning your content to filming, editing, and finally uploading your video. Each step is crucial, and we'll make sure you understand how to execute each one effectively. You'll learn how to use AI for scripting, creating characters, and generating ideas. These tools can help you come up with fresh, engaging content that stands out from the crowd. Plus, they can save you a lot of time and effort. Animation and editing. We'll show you how to use animation software to add a professional touch to your videos. Editing is where the magic happens, and with the right tools, you can turn a simple video into a masterpiece. Get ready to unleash your creativity and wow the world. With YouTube Shorts, the possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started on your journey to viral fame. Step 1. ChatGPT, your AI scriptwriting genius. The first step to a viral short, a killer script. But how do you come up with a script that grabs attention and keeps viewers hooked? That's where ChatGPT comes in. This AI tool is designed to help you craft engaging and creative scripts effortlessly. But don't worry, you don't need to be a screenwriter. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, ChatGPT can assist you in generating compelling scripts that resonate with your audience. ChatGPT is a free AI tool that can help you write engaging scripts. It's like having a professional scriptwriter at your fingertips, ready to help you brainstorm and refine your ideas. Just tell it what your short is about. Provide a brief description or a specific scenario, and ChatGPT will do the rest. It's that simple. For example, you could type, "Write a funny script for a 15-second short about a cat who thinks it's a dog." ChatGPT will take your prompt and generate a script that's both humorous and engaging. ChatGPT will then generate a script you can use. You can tweak it, add your personal touch, or use it as is. The possibilities are endless. Be specific with your prompts. The more details you provide, the more tailored and effective your script will be. Think about the tone, the characters, and the setting. The more details you give, the better your script will be. So don't hold back. Let your creativity flow and let ChatGPT help you bring your vision to life. With the right prompts, you can create a script that stands out and captures. Dream big and bring your characters to life in ways you never thought possible. Step 3. Animating your vision with HiLu AI. Now it's time to bring your characters to life. HiLu AI is a fantastic free tool that makes animation easy. You don't need any animation experience. HiLu AI uses AI to animate your characters based on your instructions. Want your cat character to jump or your alien to wave? Just tell HiLu AI what to do. You can create smooth, professional-looking animations in minutes. It's like magic. But remember, simple animations often work best for shorts. Step 4. Polishing your masterpiece with CapCut. Your short is almost ready for the world. The final step is editing, and CapCut is the perfect tool for the job. It's a free app packed with features. You can trim and arrange your clips, add music, and create cool transitions. CapCut also has tons of fun effects and filters to make your shorts even more engaging. Spend some time exploring all the features. You'll be surprised by what you can achieve. Working around limitations. Free doesn't mean featureless. While these free AI tools are amazing, they do have some limitations. For example, some might leave watermarks on your videos. Others might not have auto-captioning in the free version. But don't let these limitations stop you. There are workarounds available. You can often crop out watermarks or add captions yourself. The key is to be resourceful and focus on your creativity. Unleash your creativity. AI tools are your partner, not your replacement. Remember, AI tools are here to help you, not replace you. They're tools to bring your vision to life. Your creativity is what will make your shorts truly unique and engaging. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and think outside the box. The most important thing is to have fun and let your personality shine through. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating your first viral YouTube short today.